Hello guys! So today, pupunta tayo ngayon sa magpapa-haircut. Pero ang magpapa-haircut ay ang aming Mingming. He's there in the cage. He's there in the cage. Siya ay meowing. First time, very nervous. Kasi first time niyang lumabas ng bahay since they adopted.
It's been what, 2 years?
2 years. It's been 2 years. So wala siyang labas-labas. Nasa loob lang siya ng bahay.
It's 1 year since I was scared.
Since
Is that 1 year exactly?
I think since I arrived. It's not 1 year. It's 9
just-
months.
Because before, it's less stress when it's downstairs with me.
So ayan, iyak siya ng iyak kasi siguro natatakot din siya. Baka sabi niya, tatapon na nila ako. Maybe siya think you will throw it away.
Which will be adopted by a new person.
Kaya umiiyak siya, ayun, nasa cage. Don't cry, baby. Why? Don't cry, don't worry. You have a nice haircut later.
Hopefully they will wash it in sang shampoo, so...
Yan, kasi ang haba ng buhok niya. Pag ginugroom niya yung sarili niya, maraming hairball. So,
that's what they call
better
it.
kalbo na
Grooming
lang.
salon.
Grooming salon
Something
for
like
animals.
that.
So, yun. We will see. Maybe later siya ay kalbo na. Later, don't worry.
Hopefully they don't do the design like sang line, they call it. Don't like that.
Ayan.
I'll try to ask simple.
Ayun, cut. So, ayun guys, mamaya ulit, you will see dating natin doon sa salon pet. So, ayun guys, nandito na tayo sa isang bahay pala to. Para sa kanyang groom.
Yung mask?
Yeah, it's true. Isang bahay lang siya. Kaya kailangan ng appointment. So, let's go. So, tara.
Yung...
Hey, where's my... I want a new one.
I'll get you one.
I want a new one. Kailangan ng face mask. Hello!
Hey, Ming.
I will go there.
I have one.
Signan nyo guys, ang daming snow. It's like, ayun. You can show mo Georgie before. You can say hello, me!
Nakita rin.
Before kanyang grooming. Sobrang snow. At umuulan ng snow ngayon. Okay. No, maybe it's not allowed. So, we will see na lang what it look like later. So, yun guys, mag-withdraw muna tayo ng pera kasi need ng cash. Cash to pay. So, tara mag-withdraw.
Cash on delivery.
Cash on delivery. Cash on delivery. Kasi tatawag sila kapag okay na. Pagtapos ng magupitan si George. Sobrang snow. Smoky snow.
Tama.
Hmm.
Yung mask again.
It's true.
There.
There?
I have it.
Okay na. Thank you.
You're very, very welcome. You see here, there's like holes where the heat can... The holes can... The heat
Oh,
can
grabe
go.
yung snow ngayon. Lamig.
Hiking hands.
Frozen. So, ayun, nag-i-snow na naman. Snowfall na naman ngayon. Lamig. Grabe yung mga snow dito. Parang hills. Snow hills. Say, tara na!
My hands look... I've removed the ice and now it's sobrang malamig.
Sobrang freezing. Ay, sobrang red.
You can get isang
Somewhat.
pangit condition if your hands did freeze inside.
Aming grabe.
Your hands are not cold?
Malamig. White everywhere.
Some ice hang out.
I'm walking in this now.
I know, but there's ice underneath them.
What's the tick? So yun guys, andito na tayo sa ATM machine. Ayan, nag-withdraw na si Mr. ng pambayad. Ang lamig, grabe. Robert, tara na. You have million pesos. Pesos. Dollar or SSS. Dollar
I
SSS.
have more than 3,000 pesos.
3,000 pesos. So, ang payment ng grooming ni ang payment ng grooming ni Mingbing ay $50.
Maybe it's expensive.
How much is that in peso?
It's
387.
like nearly 2,000.
That's true.
It's okay for the grooming.
So $50. I don't know how much that in peso. Where we go now?
The car.
Stay in the car.
You want something to drink or to eat? I wanted to hold you so you don't slide.
What you can eat?
I don't know.
So yun na guys, si George Mingming. What does it look like? Oh, sobrang skeleton. Hi George!
Put it like this.
Are you okay? Ano po si Georgie? Are you okay? Skeleton Mingming.
It's nice. It's nice. She didn't wash it.
Kalbo na siya. Why?
She said because it's the first time. So you're nervous, so it's better to just cut the first time.
Sobrang skeleton. Skeleton Mingming. So yun guys, nakauwi na tayo. Nakauwi na kami. Hello George. Are you ready George? So first time ni George lumabas since inadapt nila. 2 years. I think 2 years na. And now siya ay kalbo. Ah!
It's nice. Look at the legs.
Ah!
They lift the
How
legs.
are you? Siya ay kalbo na guys.
It's malamig.
So it will grow back din naman. It's really cold for you. Inside, maybe siya will eat it. So first time ni Mingming lumabas since inadapt nila, kaya nung una sobrang iyak siya. Takot na takot siya. Maybe siya think na nai-abandon na siya.
So very scared in the beginning.
Very scared. But now, relaxed na. When we fetch him, it's like she started to be relaxed. Maybe siya think, oh, they didn't love me. And uwi na tayo. Sobrang snow. Sobrang snow. How was you feeling? How was your feeling? Huh? It's your first time. You can see the snow outside. Siya looking outside.
They won't shave at least the legs.
Ayan, pauwi na tayo guys.
It's like they just cut the body lang.
The body. The legs is not, I thought you would leave lang on the toe part.
That's what they said.
But hindi. So ayan guys, pauwi na tayo.
Here now.
Uwi na tayo. Sobrang snow. Just a telephone boat. Why? Sobrang snow. Her home. Doon parang winter wonderland. In the side of the house. I'll just show this.
We will go inside.
Bye-bye, Ming! Bye-bye, Ming! Bye-bye! Bye, Ming! Ang ganda, parang winter wonderland. Yes. So, yun, nandito na siya sa bahay. Excited na siyang lumabas. We didn't abandon you outside. Maybe she thought you will abandon. That's why he's crying and crying. Now, his new haircut. Skeleton Ming Ming. Sobrang tin, ah.